If you run group sessions, classes, events, or webinars, Koalendar makes it really easy to let multiple people book the same time slot. This is the booking page I made for my editing webinar with Koalendar. Here my attendees will see the price, they can choose the date, the time, and see the amount of spots left. It's very easy for them to book themselves. They just need to fill the name, the email, phone number. After the booking is confirmed, they can add it to their Google Calendar and it syncs to my Google Calendar. Here, I can display it as one event listing all the attendees, or I can change it to display multiple events for every attendee. Now, let me show you how I made this. Go to koalendar.com and let's get started. Let's create a new booking page, give it a name. You can add the image, customize the colors, add a description if you want to. After that, let's set up your capacity. Here you can set up the maximum amount of people that can attend your event, but keep in mind that if your attendees can bring guests, it would add up to the total amount of people. Here is the setting where you can choose how the event is displayed in your calendar. It could be created as a single event or displayed as event for each attendee. You can set up the duration, pricing. It can be fixed, hourly, or per attendee. Additionally, you can collect payments. For that, you will need to connect your Stripe account. On the right, in the preview, you can see all the changes made in real time. For example, if you want to disable the available spots, you just toggle this off and you can see the changes made. But let's keep it on. After that, you set up your availability. What I really like about Koalendar, that you can set default account schedule. For example, you can set your working hours and just use it as default. Here you can also set the time zone that will automatically detect your attendee zone. After that, you want to customize your booking form. The name and email are required. You can also allow your attendees to invite guests. The next step is crucial because it's the one that reduces no-shows. You can set up email reminders or SMS reminders. You can set up multiple reminders. For example, 1 day before and 30 minutes before the event. Additionally, you can set up email follow-up. Let's say you want to send some materials after 30 minutes after the event. You can just include it here. And after booking confirmation page that would allow your attendees to reschedule or cancel the event on their own. After you're done, click Create New Booking Page. And that's it. Whether you run seminars, webinars, events, or classes, your attendees will be able to book themselves, and it takes under 10 minutes. Each attendee will receive a confirmation email where they will be able to cancel or reschedule. Koalendar is an amazing solution. I've been able to set it up under 10 minutes. Give it a try.